One of the key things to be understood in a business is to listen to what consumer wants. This is a lesson Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi applied to its advantage. Unlike other companies who implement same model across the world, Xiaomi made some changes in a rather Indian way to do a business in the Indian market. As a result, Xiaomi has cemented its place in the top 5 smartphone makers in India. Xiaomi has not only proved to be the trustworthy company but also the cheapest among the other handset brands claiming the same features. Xiaomi introduced the Redmi Note series of smartphones in the Indian market with the launch of Redmi Note 3G and 4G, but later missed out on the Redmi Note 2 device. But we got it anyways. Soon after, Xiaomi launched one of the most successful Redmi Note 3 smartphone, followed by its successor Redmi Note 4. Today, the company has launched the much expected Redmi Note 5 as promised in the Indian market, and we have the device here in our studio prepped up for unboxing. This is Vignesh from FoneArena, and let's dive into it. As you can see, the package looks similar to that of any Redmi Note series smartphones. On top, we have the picture of the device, model name at the bottom along with the branding on the sides. Turning back, we have a special mention of the display, selfie camera, battery and a Snapdragon processor. Today, we have the Redmi Note 5 in black color with the 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of onboard storage under the hood. Opening it up, we have a small box on the top itself, inside which we have a transparent black shaded silicone case. Keeping it aside, we have the Redmi Note 5 in black color sandwiched in between the box contents. Apart from this, we have a paper documents, micro USB cable, wall adapter, and a SIM ejector. These are the inbox content of the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Now let's set it up and have a closer look at it. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 follows the similar design language as the Redmi Note 4 on the back, and it is quite close in terms of look and feel. It has a unibody metal design with a black matte finish texture on the back. Undoubtedly, it looks premium, sturdy, bit hefty and slippery as well. The rear side of the device is prone to fingerprint, so we suggest you to use the phone with the case given inside the box. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 sports a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus 18:9 aspect ratio full screen 2.5D curved glass display with a 450 nits brightness on the front. As usual, the display looks vibrant, color reproductions, viewing angles are good too. There is a single color LED notification and the handset support both VO LTE and OTG as well. Talking about the placement, it has a front flash, earpiece and a 5MP selfie shooter on the top of the display. It doesn't have any physical button as the company opted for on-screen navigation buttons. The left side of the device has a hybrid SIM card tray while the right side houses the volume rocker and a power button. The hybrid card slot lets you choose between a second SIM or a micro SD card. On top, we get a 3.5mm audio jack, secondary microphone and an IR blaster. The bottom comes equipped with a microphone, micro USB port and a speaker grill. Flipping the Redmi Note 5 and you will find a virtual identical back with the Redmi Note 4 where it houses a 12MP rear camera with f2.2 aperture, dual tone LED flash and a fingerprint scanner placed in a straight line in a vertical manner. The top and the bottom antenna inlays are made of plastic in case if you want to know. It's worth mentioning that the fingerprint scanner is quick to unlock the phone and you can add up to 5 fingerprint as well. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 625 40nm mobile platform with Adreno 506 GPU. The storage part looks very generous with the 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of onboard storage. Out of 4GB of RAM, we got around 2.3GB on the first boot and out of 64GB, we got around 53GB free. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is shipped with the Android Nougat 7.1.1 on top of MIUI 9. The MIUI 9 offers a ton of customization options and an advanced system tool at your disposal. When we unbox the device, we got another update that has a bug fixes and a system improvements. We are most likely to get Android Audio update in the future. Being a mid-range device, it lacks IP68 certification as well. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is powered by a huge 4000 mAh battery without any quick charging technology. Just like its predecessor, the Redmi Note 5 is an all-rounding package with the new 18:9 aspect ratio display as the major change in this version. We will be putting the Redmi Note 5 through various tests in the upcoming days. This is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.